Hello everybody, welcome back to Malmstedt Mobile Living. We are sitting in a sailing boat finally. The weather is better. And today we are going to go to Wien, which you saw above when we were flying home from Portugal. And there has been a bumpy road for you, Patrik.
Yes, indeed, we sailed down. You will see some short sequences from the sailing from Gothenburg down to Helsingborg, 16 hours non-stop and top speed 11.7 knots.
And who are we? We are, as I said, Malmstedt Mobile Living, and it's me, it's Patrik as you saw before, and we have a dog. Chilla. She wants our food right now because we are eating breakfast and then we are leaving for Wien.
Yes.
Several famous landmarks, Helsingborg's Bridge, and then you see the new tower and Eriksberg's train. Surfing outside Torekov on our way to Helsingborg. It's been up to 11.7 knots speed. Great!
Shoo-hoo! Today it's a nice weather to sail. I like this. I don't like when it's blowing like 20 meters per second as you like, Patrik. But this is nice, and we have just left the harbor from Helsingborg, and we are also watching on the Helsingör's ferries, so we don't smash into them. But there is a lot of sailing boats out today. I can see that on the horizon, and we are sailing towards Wien, the island between Denmark and Sweden.
And over here you see Denmark, and the ferries are going quite frequently, but we will have a nice sailing only with a jeep.
Yes, we have the direction to Wien, and we will go on the east side. There are 3 different harbors, but we are quite deep, so we need to go to the one that's called Kyrkbacken.
On the west side.
On the west side, yes.
No worries.
No, towards Denmark anyhow. And there is one more harbor where the ferries are anchoring, but there will also be a lot of noise, so we don't take that one. We take the Kyrkbacken. Approximately 45 minutes sailing, or perhaps almost an hour. It's this kind of sailing I like. What are you doing here?
Me too, I like it as well. The electronic autopilot is taking over now, so we can be here both.
Yeah!
Yeah!
We are going into the harbor, Kyrkbacken, and we'll see if there is any place for our boat. We hope so. Otherwise, perhaps we have to put our boat outside another boat. A very nice place.
Yes.
And I think we were lucky to find something. I will go down to check the potatoes. We will have some lunch. Oh, it's really you say that it's boiling and boiling over. The weather is nice, but you can see that we have some rain possibilities surrounding us. There we have some dark. I don't know if this is coming in or going away. I hope going away, but we will enjoy the day.
Hi, darling.
Now the sun is back again. There were no big rainstorm coming in. It's nice.
Now it's time for coffee. Oh, and I don't dare to tell the audience that, but normally we drink Zoegas, but Carina also buy Arvid Nordqvist. That's the two brands that we enjoy for coffee. They have this dark, strong flavor and taste. Nummy nummy.
There is our boat, and on the other side there we have Denmark, and far over there it's Copenhagen. We will go there sometimes as well, my darling.
Yes, I want to take a swim, Chilla as well.
Yes, why not? Maybe me as well. But I don't promise anything. I have become a really feg, what do you say? Coward. Is bathing place. We don't know if we could take Chilla with us. What does he say? Nej. No dogs. Nej. Yep. You are able to rent yellow bicycles and bicycle around the island.
A flower that my darling had learned me. Hortensia. That's the color and the flower.
DOG is my BFF. DOG is my BFF. Clap your hands if you love your dog.
Like a small
Kid.
playing with a tennis ball.
Clap your
Yes.
hands, stomp your feet, say yahoo if you love your dog.
Nej, vill du ha godis?
Again, once again. Happy dog.
Go crazy if you love your dog. Spin around, go crazy, say yahoo if you love your dog. DOG is my BFF. DOG is my BFF. All I wanna do is pet a pet because DOG is my BFF. Always by my side is my dog. Always down for a ride is my dog. Ready, set, bark. Smile big if you love your dog. Dance a jig if you love your dog.
Chilla was so very good at bathing, taking a bath. So now she needs some energy. She will get some food. She has to take her medicine, Chilla. Can you give her?
Her magic pill.
Yeah.
That. Yeah.
Because she has an itch. She is allergic. Now she will get some food.
Lige at komme ind og lægge til her. Går det bra med dig?
Vad menar du? Varför vill ni ligga här?
Ja, vi forsøger lige at have 32 fod. Jeg tænker, det går bra.
Ja.
Men det er bare lige så du ved.
Ja,
præcis.
absolut. Ja,
Det gør det.
inga problem.
Super.
Danish people talking with Swedish people about placing their boat beside us. Do you like that?
Behind.
Behind?
Yes. They will try to put their motorboat behind.
Yeah. Coast Guard coming in. Whoa. What are you doing, Chilla? Do you feel that I'm dirty or what? Maybe I am. Lot of bicycles. Then now we are going up to.
I want a waffle!
Not
Opens 11 today!
yay! Cute. We have been sleeping here one night and we decided to stay one more because, or not because, yesterday
Because
we want, but also I paid for a bigger boat yesterday and we tried to get the money back, but then they said you could solve it by staying one night and pay for a smaller boat.
And she said it was my fault even if it was Carina that had paid. The church going back to 1200 after Christ, so we have talking about 800 years old. What a view! What a view! Carina living on the edge.
Yes.
Here
Really?
we're talking about the edge. And out there a lot of boats are in the in the bay.
This fence is for people like me.
Keep you down from the hill and
Keep
the
you down
goats.
from the hill.
Up from the hill.
Yes. I always seems to stumble. So that's good. I feel safe. That's very good. Yes. We are walking and walking and walking. It looks like we are coming out on a field. You can see how.
And I'm catching the back of Carina.
What happened? Yes, I managed to fall. Ah. And what did you ask me before?
Before Carina was falling, I asked her, should I hold your hands? You're not falling. And stubborn as she can be sometimes, she said, no, how should I know? And then, bump.
But I was lucky I grabbed the bush so I didn't fall all the way down to the fence.
And not George Bush.
Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chilla, have you got some water? Yes. And we are in the shade. And I don't think I will go out there. And I will fall down. Because you can never trust me. Wow. Do you think we should take that? And the bird, I don't know what's it called in English, lärka in Swedish, is singing for us.
And Chilla is trying to catch a mouse. She's crazy. They're diving down. Oh,
Chilla.
or rabbit. Oh, come here.
It's lovely here.
Look what I found. A 50 cent
A 50 €
on the ground. That means
happiness.
happiness and love and many children, darling.
Oh yes,
So,
and lot of money.
no, a lot of children. We need to go back home to the boat now.
Well, I think I'm too old for that. Yep.
Darling, as you, as I, love to renovating a place, what do you say about buying these 2 buildings? We break it down brick for brick and build it up again, and we rent it out as an Airbnb.
Yay!
We have 20 years of renovation in front of us. Yeah!
And then we die.
Come on.
This is for sale.
Also needs a lot of love.
That's quite cute. Perhaps people live here. It's a light outside.
What do you think? Is it falling apart, or it's a natural shape of the bar?
No, I don't think it's falling apart, but it's more that it's falling off. What to say? The puts. But this could be how beautiful, and we could have some
50 kids here.
50 kids. Then
Five.
put some chickens.
Yeah, pigs.
Yep. It's crowded today, as you can see. And we have 3 boats outside us. So it's really a lot of people here taking the opportunity. And I have seen that over Copenhagen it has been raining all day, and I talked to my son in Lund, and there it has been raining also. So I think we have been lucky today. I have even taken a swim in the ocean, and Chilla has done it plenty, and Patrik as well, of course. So this is, I love it. Let it stay like this the rest of the summer.
We have 3 boats outside us, but over here the boat all the way in has to go, and the other boats have to release to make it possible. A lot of maneuvers in the harbor, and you see on the other side there are motorboats also connected, so a lot of activities.
We have decided to head back to Helsingborg because tomorrow it will start blowing a lot again, so we will take the opportunity to sail back. Bye bye, Ven.
Spot next to you, free.
Yes, of course. You're most welcome.
I will moor over here.
Yes, good. Ja men chill! Ja, jag missade nog det. För... Så. This is my favorite part with sailing. Just sitting, relaxing in the harbor and listen to some music. That's nice. And if you like this episode, please subscribe, give me a thumb and give me a comment, ask something. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.